We are going to take a closer look at the composting process by creating our own soil-arium. We will investigate if our straws, advertised as compostable, will actually decompose at the same rate as other organic matter. For this activity, you will need a large glass jar, soil, food scraps, yard trimmings, torn up cardboard or newspaper, cut up straw pieces, water, tape, and marker. Begin by adding soil to the bottom of your jar. Next, add a little shredded paper or cardboard. You can even cut up the wrapper that your straws came in and use it in this step. The next layer is going to be some of our food scraps that we've saved. Add in your dried leaves, grass clippings, and plant prunings. Lastly, add in your straw pieces. You're going to repeat this process over and over, layering it, kind of like a lasagna. A good rule of thumb to have a good compost is about 2 parts of brown for every 1 part of green. Brown materials will add carbon to our compost and consist of things like dried leaves, straw, dead grass, small twigs, or pieces of cardboard or shredded paper. The greens are adding nitrogen to the mix. Greens include vegetable peelings, coffee grounds, green grass, and plant clippings. You can use your hands to push your compost further into the jar, but don't pack it in there too tightly. We want the air to be able to circulate to help everything break down. Want a faster working compost? Chop up the pieces before putting them in. Lastly, we will add a sprinkling of water to mimic rainfall and start the decomposition process. Add a little bit of water as needed and stir or shake daily to add oxygen and move around the bacteria so they can find new food. Every 2 weeks, use a piece of tape to mark the new top as the composting process continues. You can also take notes about observations, about what breaks down first and what is taking longer. You may even be able to tell the straws apart by the colors. You'll have to be very observant as they start to break down. We look forward to hearing about how it goes at home.